I was supposed to do a 3-part series on recent finds I found of 2018 Barbie releases. So we're going to call this part 1B, I guess, because I was able to find more Made to Move. So these two ladies popped up on Amazon. I believe they are from the original 2016 release. And then I found these 2018 release Made to Moves. You can see from the back of the packaging the other dolls in this line, and in my last video, which we will call part 1A, I guess, I unboxed this Curvy Barbie. So this video is going to be a quick one. I just want to unbox these ladies and see if the same flaws that I found in the 2018 Made to Move Curvy Barbie also exist in these new ladies. And then we can take a look at all of the different skin tones that are available. So here they all are out of the box. If you want to actually see an unboxing, you can check out my previous video, which I will link to below, where I did unbox the Made to Moves on camera. But this is just a quick look at these 4 dolls. I believe these two are from the first wave of Made to Move, so they are in their yoga outfits that are the color block, bright colors with the black yoga pants. There's no Velcro on these outfits, it's all elastic waists and necklines. I really like their skin tones, and their hair is really nice and soft. I love her little poofy ponytail, so cute. And they both have the awesome Made to Move articulation at the neck, shoulder, the Made to Move elbow joint, wrist, upper torso, oh, don't forget upper arm, hips, upper thigh, knees, that amazing Made to Move knee joint, and the ankles. This is the Curvy Barbie from the new wave of Made to Move, and as I pointed out in my last video, she has these marks on her arms. And unfortunately, these other Made to Move dolls also have these marks, except they are much harder to see. You can just make them out a little bit. So, fortunately, not nearly as noticeable, but definitely still there. Other than that, they have the same type of articulation as the other Made to Move. They are in the flower print yoga pants and color block tees that look like they're multiple layers, but they're actually one. However, both of their shirts Velcro in the back, and their pants, their yoga pants, are elastic waist. And they have 2 skin tones that were previously unavailable in the regular Made to Move release. So let's take a look at the different Made to Moves I have and the different levels of skin tone that are available. So here they all are together in a lineup, so you can see the difference in the skin tones. I don't have all the Made to Moves. There's the rock climber and the skier and the well, I think there's a camper. I don't know. There's a bunch of ones that I don't have. If you have those and they have a different skin tone than any of these dolls, please comment below, and so we know where they fall into this scale. But our Curvy Barbie and our, what was she, Purple Top, they are pretty much the same skin tone. So they are the lightest of the Made to Moves that I've found. Our redhead and blonde traditional Barbie, they have similar skin tones, but blonde Barbie is a little bit darker. Our, what is this, aqua blue top, and our new wave lady right here. These two are very similar skin tones, but I do think this one right here is slightly darker, just like a smidge. And our curly blonde-haired lady right here is actually darker than either of these girls. And then we have the darker skin tones on the end. And just for comparison's sake, here is the lightest skin tone fashionista I've ever seen. And she is even fairer than our fairest 2 Made to Moves. Then we have the darkest skin tone fashionista ever released. And she is definitely darker skin toned than the darkest Made to Move that I've ever seen. I'm glad Mattel is still releasing so many different skin tones in all of their dolls. I hope they continue this, and I hope they make even more available in the Made to Move format. What do you think? Comment below.